Good morning students. Today we are going to start mathematics of standard 7, chapter number 2, exercise 2.6. From question number 1. First question, 0.2 into 6. We have to find 0.2 into 6. So here, if we remove this decimal point, so we have to write here 2 upon 10 into 6. Now 2 into 6, that is 12 upon 10. Now here 1 0 is there. So we have to put point before one number. So we have to write it. We have to count this number from back side. So here we have to put point before one number. So here we have to put the point. So our answer is 1.2. Next 2.71 into 5. So here 271 here. So point is before two number. Here we have to count it from backward. So here point is before two numbers. So here we have to put 100 into 5. Now 271 into 5. So here we are going to multiply it with 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 sevens are 35. 5 twos are 10, 11, 12 and 13. So it is 1355 upon 100. So in 100 two zeros are there. So we have to put point before two numbers. So here we have to count it from backward side. So we have to put point before two numbers. So our point is here. So it is 13.55. Now try number 0.05 into 7. So here 5 upon 100. Because point is before two number. So here 5 upon 100 into 7. So 5 sevens is 35 upon 100. So here in 100 two zeros are there. So we have to put point before two numbers. So here we have to count it from backward sides. So it is 1 and 2 and here we have to put point. So our answer is 0.35. Now fourth number 211.02 into 4. So here point is before two numbers, so we have to, if we remove the point from here, then we have to put 100 in the denominator into 4. Now multiply this number with 4, so it is 4 2s are 8, 4 0s are 0, 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. So it is 84408. 84,408 upon 100. So here we have to put point before two number. So we have to count it from backwards. So 1 and 2, here point is there. So it is 844.08. Now fifth number 2 into 0.86. So here if we remove this point, so here 86 upon 100. So here we have to multiply 2 with 86. So it is 6 2s are 12, 8 2s are 16 plus 1 17. So it is 172 upon 100. So in 100 two zeros are there. So we have to put point before two numbers. So we have to count it from backward side. So 1, 2 and here point. So it is 1.72. So our answer is 1.72. Now question number 2. Find the area of rectangle whose length is 5.7 cm and breadth is 3 cm. So first of all we have to write the length of the rectangle. Length of the rectangle, it is equal to 5.7 cm. Now breadth of rectangle is 3 cm. Now we have to find out the area. So formula, area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So length is 5.7 cm into breadth is 3 cm. So here So here the number is given in a decimal point, so we have to remove the point. So here 57 upon 10, because point is before one number, so we have to put 10 in the denominator. Now multiply 3 with 57, so it is 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15, 16, 17, so it is 171 upon 10. Now here 10 is there, so we have to put point before one number, so our answer is 17.1 centimeter square. So your area is given, so we have to write this unit in centimeter square. So our answer is 17.1 centimeter square. Now question number 3, find 1.3 into 10. So here point is given before one number, so we have to write 13 upon 10 and here also 10. So here 10 is cut, so here our answer is 13. Now 36.8. So your point is before one number, so we have to put 10 in the denominator. So here also 10 is cut, so our answer is 368. The next number 168.07 into 100. So here point is given before two number. So if we remove this point, we have to write 100 in the denominator, because two numbers are there after the point, so we have to write 20 here, also 100. So 100 remove, so it is 16,807. Now fourth question, 31.1 into 100. So here point is given before one number, so here if we remove this point, so we have to write 10 in the denominator and here 100. So if we cut this 0 and 0, so here 311 into 10. So if we multiply this with 10, so here it is 3110. Now for here 4307. If we remove this point, so the number is 4307 upon 100, because point is given before two number. So after point two number is there, so we have to write 100 into 100. So here 100 cut. So our answer is 4307. Now 156.1 into 100. So here point is given before one number, so we have to put 10 in the denominator. So 1561 upon 10 into 100. So here 0 cut. So 1561 into 10. So it is 15,610. Now number 4. A two-wheeler covers a distance of 55.3 km in 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 10 liter of petrol? So we have to find out the distance covered by two-wheeler in 10 liter of petrol. So here the statement first, distance covered by two-wheeler in 1 liter of petrol is equal to 55.3 kilometer. Now distance covered by two-wheeler in 10 liter of petrol is equal to, here we have to multiply it with 55 into 10. So here point is given before one number. So here we have to write in the denominator 10. So 10 cut. So our answer is 553 kilometer. So distance covered by two-wheeler in 10 liter of petrol, that is 553 kilometer. So our answer is 553 kilometer. Now coming to the fifth number, 2.5 into 0.3. So here point is given before one number, so we have to write 25 upon 10. Here point is given before one number, so here also we have to write 3 upon 10. Now multiply 25 with 3, that is 75. Here 75 upon 10 inside is 100. So here two zeros are there, so we have to put point before two number. So it is, we have to count it from backward side. So here we have to put point, so our answer is 0.75. Next, 0.2 into 316.8. So here point is given before one number, so we have to put 10 in the denominator. Then here again point is given before one number, so we have to put 10 in the denominator. So now we have to multiply this number with 2. So 8 2s are 16, 6 2s are 12, 13, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3, 2 3s are 6. So 6336 upon 100, because 10 10s is 100. Now here 2 zeros are there, so we have to put point before two numbers. So counting from backward sides 1 and 2. So here 63.36. Now next is 0.5 into 0.05. So here we have to write 10 in the denominator, and here before two number point is there, so we have to write 100. Now 5 5 is 25, and 100 into 10 it is 1000. So here in 1000 3 zeros are there, so we have to put point before 3 number. So we have to write over 0 here to make this number 3. Now put point over here, so our answer is 0.025. Now fourth number, 1.07 into 0.02. So here point is given before two numbers, so we have to put 100 in the denominator. Here also point is given before two numbers, so we have to put 100 in the denominator. Now multiply 107 with 2, so it is 2 7s are 14, 2 0s are 0, 1, 2 1s are 2. So it is 214 upon 100 into 100, that is 10,000. So now we have, so in 10,000 4 zeros are there, so we have to put point before 4 numbers. So now we have to count it from backside 1, 2, 3, and we have to write here 0 to make it 4 numbers. So now put point over here, so our answer is 0.0214. Coming to the next number, 10.05 into 1.05. So here point is there before two numbers, so we have to put 100 in the denominator. Here also we have to put 100. Now 1005 multiplied by 105. So here 1005 multiplied by 105. So 5 5 is 25, 5 0 is 0. We have to put 2 here. 5 0 is 0, 5 is 5. Then 0 0 0 and 0. Here 1 5 is 5, 1 0 is 0, 1 0 is 0, and here 1. So 5, here 2, 5. So it is 1,05,525 upon 100 into 100, that is 10,000. So we have to put point before 4 number, because 4 zeros are there in 10,000. So here we have to count it from backward sides 1, 2, 3 and 4. So our answer is 10.5525. Now next number, 101.01 into 0.01. So here if we remove this point, we have to put 100 in the denominator, because two numbers are there after the point. Now here 1 upon, because point is there before two numbers, so we have to write over 100. So here 10101 into 1. So here 10,101 multiplied by 1, so it is 10,101 upon 100 into 100, that is 10,000. So here 4 zeros are there, so we have to put point before 4 number. So we have to count it from backward sides 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have to put point before 4 number from back side. So our answer is 1.0101. So dear students, here we completed our exercise 2.6. I hope you understand this very well. So keep practicing. Thank you so much and have a nice day.